How to enable Teams on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable Teams. First open VK and then click Hub, here's it, and then click the storylines. Now click settings, then scroll down and here we'll find appearance, and after that click enable Teams in chats, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Now all you need to do, just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.